All right, so we're continuing with the geometric series, but I want to do this question here, but not all of them. I'm after the last one. Look, this one is easy. It says calculate the sum of the first 8 term, which is easy. This one says determine the value of k when the sum of kth term is 88,572. We are taking this one. This one I'm doing that one because our formula tells us that in the data I've got S subscript K, which is given to me, which is 88,572. I'm given that. And then if I'm looking for the A, which is the first term, there it is. I've got it is 3. If I'm looking for the R, I've got the R because it's going to be 9 divided by the 3. 9 divided by the 3, we get a 3. 9 divided by 3, bingo, it's right. Then we can double check it with 27 divided by the 9, is it 3? Yes, indeed, it is 3. So we've got 3 there. And then we need to find what is N. Our N, we're using it's actually that K. It's a question mark. It's called K in this case. So I could have just said it's K. Or I could have just said what is K, but is that N in the formula? All right, I don't need to check the T subscript N in this case, no stress. So using the formula, using our formula, which we already know. Let me bring it here, that formula. So this is a formula. So we're going to do the substitution. So here goes the substitution. In place of that, I'm going to put 8, 8. So I'm going to write it here. I've got 8, 8, and then 572. And then equals to, I've got the first term. The first term is A, which is 3. Then open the parenthesis, which is 3 to the power of N. N is my letter K, minus the 1, close the parenthesis. Then we divide all of that by 3 minus the 1. There we go. Now, since we know mathematics, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then I cross multiply. The 2 must times that number. So that means we have 88,572. We times that by 2. That's what we've got. So we've got, we don't even know what that number it is. It's 177,144. 144 equals to 3 into 3 to the power of K minus the 1. The next thing, I need to get rid of that 3. I must divide both sides by 3. So the number on screen, I'm dividing it by 3. There we go. So now I've divided by 3. I now have 59048 equals to 3 to the power of K, because that 3 is now gone, minus the 1. The 1 must be transposed over to this side. So that means I'm going to add 1 to that number. So that means that's plus 1. So the new number will be the yellow number that I'm writing, which is 59049 equals to 3 to the power of K. So that means you need to write this as 3 to the power of some number. Now, you can, because I've got it as equal sign, let's just do this. So I've got it as 59049, press equal sign, shift, and then you want prime factor. And you say it's 3 to the 10. Then k, it's 10. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do logarithm. Logarithm exponent equals to the log. So that means k must equals to the log. The base comes from where the exponent was. The base is 3. Then the number that I'm dealing with is 59049. So we know we're expecting k to be 10. So I'm going to go shift logarithm. The base is 3. The number is going to be 59049. Press equal sign, same answer. We're getting a 10. Now remember that n must always be an element of natural numbers. So this is natural number. So this is the right answer. It is the right answer. Cool.